Hey, Lou Byron here, coming to you from Desert Wind Harley-Davidson Service Department. You know what time it is? It's time to take that winter air out of your tires and put in some summer air. Make sure that your tires are always inflated to the proper PSI. It's very important. If you don't do that and they're too low, you're going to get tire chop feathering. You're going to have heat buildup in your tires that'll wear your tires out prematurely. So make sure you check those tire pressures and make those tires last. Need any help? We'd be happy to help you out with that. Come on by and see us. We got tire gauges, we got air. Also, don't forget, I got your 50 bucks. If you have a Harley-Davidson extended service plan, we will pay your $50 deductible here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. Come on down and see us. All my guys can't wait to help you out and work on your bike. Thank you.